Hello, I'm Miao. If you were to ask what the most famous Chinese dish, which one come to your mind? I think it's not Peking duck, even not dumplings. It's Kung Pao Chicken. When Sheldon ordered it weekly on the Big Bang Theory, the US TV series, I knew it had truly become very famous all over the world. Today, I will take you to try the best Kung Pao Chicken in Beijing. So let's go! The name of this restaurant is Meizhou Dongpo. Meizhou is a city in Sichuan, and Dongpo is a person's name, Su Dongpo. He is the most famous poet and essayist of Song Dynasty, and Meizhou is his hometown. So you can figure out now, Kung Pao Chicken is not a Beijing dish, it's a Sichuan dish. And what's more about Sichuan dish? Let me order first, and then I will tell you more. Let's go. 来个辣的鸡吧。Honestly, among the younger generation in China, the most influential cuisine is the Sichuan cuisine. The hallmark of the Sichuan food is its spiciness. Well, Beijing traditional food isn't known for being very spicy. These days, almost everyone has a Sichuan appetite. We eat Sichuan hot pot, spicy hot pot at home, and go out for the boiled fish with chili, and spicy flavor dominate everything. Woo! Woo! Look at this Kung Pao chicken. It's chicken thigh meat and stir frying with the peanuts and dried chili pepper. You know what? The Kung Pao chicken and the rice is perfect match. If you were to eat Kung Pao chicken in Sichuan, it would be even spicier. But in Beijing, the spicy level is moderate usually. The Beijing style version of the Kung Pao chicken has a history of modification, which dates back to the mid-20th century when Mei Lanfang, the very famous Peking opera master, he was particularly fond of this dish. But in order to provide his voice for singing, he cannot handle too spicy dish. So they has been modified this dish to the sour and sweet taste, which continues to this day. In fact, I have a Sichuan appetite, so I think it's not spicy at all, only sweet and sour. If you are in Beijing and a bit tired of Beijing dish, you can try the Kung Pao chicken, the Sichuan dish in this restaurant. It's absolutely delicious. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy my lunch. I hope you will like my today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. All my videos are about Beijing culture and Beijing life. See you next time. Bye bye.